Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we shall talk about 7 skills that one needs to get initiated on mixed methods research. A mixed methods research is a simultaneous or sequential application of quantitative and qualitative methods to address one common research question or objective. Now, how do we get initiated on it? Number one, a good understanding of research designs, both quantitative, qualitative, and mixed methods design. Now, why this is important? Because we'll be using different types of designs as we approach the common question. In mixed methods research, what we do is we use both qualitative and quantitative methods in either concurrently or in sequence to address one common research question. That means we need to understand both the designs in terms of like basic descriptive designs, exploratory designs, experimental designs, even quasi-experimental designs. The other important skill that one needs is an orientation to the different methods in both quantitative and qualitative research. That means in quantitative, how to do a good survey or how to do different types of experiments. In qualitative, one needs to understand how to collect data using observations, in-depth interviews, focus group discussions, unstructured interviews, different methods. And at the same time, how to design those instruments, which includes writing those items of inquiry or the questions, getting them pre-tested, validated, those things, and how to collect data, how to record that data, how to manage that data, how to analyze that data. Now, quantitative and qualitative data analysis skills are different. So how to do both the types of analysis, what kind of softwares one needs, and how to represent that data in terms of tables, figures, etc., etc. Now, this, from our understanding, is that people are not equally strong in both quant and qual. That's very rare in combination, but one needs to have good knowledge of both to balance out. Or at least if it is a quant predominant or a qual predominant mixed methods research, accordingly, you can use your skills, can tap into your deeper skills. The third one is how to draft a research question or objective that demands a mixed methods research approach. The question should be drafted in a way which requires that no single method, like mono method, would not be sufficient, and you would need a mixed methods approach to address that question. So framing that objective is tough, but once done nicely, the entire sequence, all the steps in this research would fall in line. The fourth one is integration of methods. Now, mixed methods research requires us, demands us integration of both the methods. So basically, this is one common study, and we must mention at what level we are integrating. Integration at the level of research objective, integration at the level of the methods, integration at the level of analysis, integration at the level of reporting, or even dissemination. How do we do it? So at what level of integration are we looking at? And that needs to be judged adequately and also implemented adequately. The fifth point is, how do we triangulate the information? So there are various purposes why one does mixed methods research. We shall discuss it in another video. But one of the common use is to triangulate information. So how do you triangulate or converge on the same set of findings using quant and qual methods? Now, the sixth one is how to communicate or report your mixed methods research. And there are certain reporting styles that one uses. You report quant and qual findings separately, or you want to report them together. And then qual and quant, like how do you represent the quotable quotes? Where do you fit in the tables? Where do you fit in the figures? If you're building a framework, how do you put it? Those are the things that one needs to take care of. The seventh one is the ethical considerations. Now, ethical considerations are the same for all research. So those are certain cross-cutting considerations. For example, confidentiality, privacy, autonomy, self-respect, respectability. Those things are there. But there are some certain add-on issues that must be declared upfront. One of the most important ones is to, at least if not avoid, then declare the potential biases that the researcher might have. That means one needs to declare the paradigm with which one is approaching, the philosophy with which one is approaching. So we shall make a separate video on the different paradigms one may use in qualitative research or even in mixed methods research, that is the post-positivism, constructivism, advocacy, pragmatism, or even now the fifth dimension of complexity theories or dialectical pluralism. Those paradigms need to be declared upfront. Similarly, the philosophical approaches, like a phenomenological approach, or grounded theory approach, those things must be declared in the overall research that one would do in the mixed methods arena. Now, those are seven skills, and those are sort of, I must say, mixed methods research is a bit aspirational for the novice or the naive researcher. Still, if you want to build a track towards that aimed at mixed methods research, so these are the skills that you would like to master. So master the quant, master the qual, and then merge. It's okay if you're not able to master both quant and qual to equal levels. You may want one predominant, but still then you need to have a good proficiency, not just working knowledge, good proficiency of both the research methods. If not that way, then you should be open to collaboration. So that's how we approach mixed methods research. We'll make more detailed videos going forward. Thank you.